Hello guys! Nandito na po kami sa Okada sa room number 711. Nakikita ninyo po ako ng lilibot ng kwarto. Ito po yung living room at yung office area. Nakikita ninyo po ako na bubuksan ng pintuan dito po. Ito naman po ang bedroom. Laki no? At ito naman po yung bathroom na may jacuzzi, toilet, and shower. Tapos makikita niyo po dito ay ng view ng fountain. Kita niyo po yung PITX, yung aeroplano, nalalan, sa naiya. Tapos si Clay, gusto na lumigo doon sa jacuzzi. Wow! Ito po yung mirror where you brush your teeth. Balik naman sa bed. Kita niyo po si Clay gusto na mag-jump ng bed. Ito po yung TV. Ito po yung sofa. Wow, sayang-sayang ni Clay, no?
Next time, don't put them up.
Tapos makikita niyo po dito yung tablet, which controls the curtains, the lights, the TV, and the AC. Tapos dito naman po, where we make coffee. Then we open this door, and this is where the dressing area, where you can do makeup, where you dress your clothes, going outside, or to sleep, or to swim. Bubuksan na natin yung pintuan nito. Yan, meron pong isang tablet which controls the curtains and lights and the AC. And we have here is a lamp for decoration. And then we have a big sofa in the living room and the best view on the fountain, which we can see. Going back to the living room, as we can see here, there's a TV.
Door. Close the door.
There's an electric outlet that closes and opens, and we have a New Year bread. Going back to this door, which lead to the bedroom and the bathroom, makikita ninyo po si Clay, excited mag-ligo, no? Yee!
Saan yung internet connection? Saan ba yung internet ma?
Yan po si Clay. Happy. May big bathtub siya where he can play his baby shark.
Mama, paano to? Paano po yung internet connection?
Ito naman po yung bathroom where we can
Di ba sabi natin sa ganito lang?
which has a bidet.
Uy, may ano na. Click the login. Room number.
Ito naman po yung shower.
Surname.
Wow, so nice.
Nakaupo to. Wow! Ano surname natin? Ipag-registra. Wow! Gagawin. Socialist. Bayad na lang si mama. Ano connected na?
Ito na po yung mga sink which has water, mouthwash, body milk, toothpaste, and toothbrush. This is the toothbrush and some hairbrush kits. And when we open this drawer, we'll see the hairbrush.
Gagawin naman ni Papa, ma.
Going back to the bedroom,
Gagawin ni Papa. Todo bayad din.
we can see here the foods, which if you lift out, they will pay
Remove
you.
my sweet
There is
Jordan.
mini Oreo, Shin Ramen,
Kaibigan ba kayo? Kakain muna
Pringles,
Kain
and
muna tayo.
many more.
And put me Jordans here.
And here's the private bar where they get Coke, Royal, Sprite,
I don't know how.
Alak,
How do we?
and here's the glasses.
Mainit.
And these are the coffee makers. There are 2 waters and 2 glass. And here, let's check what's inside. Hmm.
21. 21 aircon.
Let's check what are inside these cabinets. Nothing, nothing,
Aircon.
and nothing.
Hey!
And to the
Papa,
dressing
aircon.
room. Or
How do
you
we
can make
on?
up here. There are my Jordans, and there's the weight scale. Ito po naman yung utility bag, hangers, tas yung lagayan ng sapatos. They are male and female slippers. Let's open this. There are nothing. See, it's inside nothing. Nothing. And there's my Jordans. Here's the makeup area. As you can see on the background, you can see those wardrobes and nothing and nothing. Here's a chair. Here's the view of the bed. Clay is running all around the floor. And we can see the TV. Yan, maganda. Let's check on this. There's a power outlet. There's nothing. And there's nothing. As we can see here, there's a lamp. And the door to the bathroom. Now, let's check. Okay. Vault. There's a vault. I can get
Papa, why
that.
aircon not working here?
Okay. And there's me. And here's the bathroom. And on the other side, there is a phone that calls for service. And there's me going somewhere, go to the bathroom, and Clay holding his mom and going to the bathroom. He's smiling because he wants to swim.
Liguan. Kabila. CR.
Okay, let's open the door. And
Ano, kain mo tayo, maliligo na kayo.
what? It opened by itself. Here are the controls for the bidet, the flush, and everything else.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard. Swimming, baby. Come on, baby.
So now, here are the TV remotes, charging outlet, phone for room services, and more.
1, 2, 3, play! Guys, look at Mama! Look at me, Clay! Look at me, Clay!
Okay, we're now in the working place, or work area, or office area. Nothing. And what I said, there's like a cake or a bread in the table.
Dito, mama. Pitex. Okay? 13 lang ang bili ko. Ano pa? May...
And there's a lamp here.
Yung luggage. Ano yung luggage?
And here are the other bathroom, where the toilet opens by itself.
Where's the luggage bomb?
Let's see. Wow! And the sink with the soap and with paper towels. And let's go out. Yeah, I think this is the end. Okay, guys. See you later on the swimming pool. Clay is so excited about it. So, bye!